In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create your YouTube playlist. Not only to create your YouTube playlist, but to use it and maximize what you definitely need to achieve. My question is, why do I need to create my playlist? Do I really need playlist? Now, let me start answering you. Why you need to create your playlist is that when people eventually get your playlist or want to stream your playlist, and then that thing they are falling back to is your playlist, it will enable you to accumulate more watch hours. If you are monetized, you are going to be making more money, I mean a lot of money. Just for example now, as you are watching this video, you tap on my playlist and then you go ahead to watch my playlist. So if this is your first time of tuning in on my channel, I'm Grow with Dara, and on this channel I talk about the tips, the hacks, the strategy you are going to use to grow your channel, get 1000 subscribers, and so other things on this YouTube. So if this is a kind of video you want to see today on my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I publish videos like this. Without any further ado, let me show you how you are going to create your YouTube playlist. For those that don't know how to create their playlist, get YouTube to start recommending your videos. I mean, when recommending your videos, they are going to be recommending new videos and old videos of videos that have not been getting views, and you start getting watch hours and every engagement you need on this YouTube. So let me show you how. What you have to do is just come over to your gallery, click on your YouTube channel. Once you click on your YouTube app, then you click on this profile, this button icon, this profile icon. Then once it opens, it will bring you to this particular site where you have the playlist and the histories of videos you have been watching with your channel. So for you to create a playlist, you will see these options where they write playlist, view all, and this plus sign. So the button, the icon you are going to click here is the plus sign. Make sure you tap on this plus sign. Once you tap on this plus sign, it will now bring you to new playlist. Then inside the title of the playlist, you want your video to be organized to, maybe let me say entertainment, because this channel is an entertainment channel. So entertainment video, entertainment skits. Okay, then now always make sure that your playlist is public, because if your playlist is unlisted or private, nobody is going to view or watch your videos in your playlist. So for you to get people to watch multiples of your videos, make sure that your playlist is under public. Click on public. Make sure that the visibility of your playlist is under public. Okay, once you click on this particular sign, you click on collaborate. Once you tap on this collaborate button, you can now click on create. Okay, so we have created a playlist. Now when you look at this play, you see that I don't have any videos here for this entertainment skit. This new playlist will have right now. So if you are looking for a way to add your video to this particular new playlist that we just created, so all you have to do is just, let's say we want to upload a video. You want to upload a video, on the plus button, then click on video. Now it will bring you to your gallery where you will upload. You take the video you want to upload and put it to playlist. Let's say let me click on this video. Once I tap on this video, now I'll click on next. Now once you click on next, it will bring you to your details where you're going to add the title, the description, the location, then the altered content, location, then add to playlist. So what you are going to do to add this particular video to that new playlist we just created is to tap on this add to playlist. Then it will now bring you to all your playlists, all your playlist names, all your playlists. Then you select the particular playlist you want to add your video to. Now, like we just created, once you're looking at this, you can see the new playlist we just created. So you tap on this entertainment skits. Now it will tap good, then you click on done. Once you click on done, then you have to put everything you have to put here to optimize your video. Put your title, your description, make sure that your description is short, put your videos to private or unlisted so that you finish your metadata before you start uploading your videos. Okay, now when you look at this playlist, you can see this our playlist we just created, that this particular video is now in that playlist, which is the entertainment skit. Okay, so this is how you are going to be creating playlists, and you are giving your viewers the tendency, you are giving your viewers the room to watch not one, not two, not three, not four of your videos, but multiple of your videos, depending on the numbers you have on the numbers of video you have on the playlist. And one important thing about this playlist is that whenever you want to put a video to playlist, please do not put a video to one playlist. Make sure you put it at 2 to 3 playlists, so that when people click on this playlist, they will see other video, they will see the same video, and they might likely to watch it in this particular playlist or the other particular playlist. This is how you are going to be adding your videos to playlists, and it can help you to be getting your watch hours from your best performing and worst videos. Okay, so that is all for you creating a playlist. Start today to have a playlist on every of your video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next upload. Bye.